Hey guys, got another dish here to share with you. I'm creating a sweet sausage. Let me get some of the steam out. This is just done. I completed the dish so you didn't have to sit around and watch it cook. It takes about 15 minutes to make. So what I did is I sauteed some sweet Italian sausage, and then I stirred in a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and onion, and chopped cabbage. And I sauteed this. I added a little bit of water to help it steam, and then I covered it up with a aluminum tent, okay, and let it go on low for about 15 minutes until the cabbage is tender, you know, and delicious. So you have the fennel from the sausage, the sweet from the sausage. Also, I threw in a few raisins. Okay? You can use currants. Adds a little nice sweetness to the dish. So, again, this is a sweet sausage, onion, cabbage, a little bit of raisin, olive oil, some salt, pepper. I always taste and you can always add a little bit more salt, pepper if you like. And what I'm going to do is, this dish is ready. This you can consider like a vegetable. And I like to use a little bit of mustard as an add-on. What a beautiful dish. Nice, beautiful vegetable. You can have it as a meal too. It's a low-calorie, low-fat dish, and tasty. Not complicated at all. All right, guys. That's just one sweet sausage, little onion, some chopped cabbage, some raisin, little water, olive oil, salt, pepper. And you have yourself a winner. Okay, guys? Enjoy.